A few years ago, when we looked at the need for additional bus storage and bus maintenance opportunities in the region, we determined that the West Ox Road bus garage in Fairfax County was a great opportunity to provide more opportunities, not just to maintain our buses, but to keep more buses on the street and provide more transit options for local commuters. Additionally, the Northern Virginia Transportation Authority is able to provide funding for projects like this. So a project that scores very well in our prioritization process can then request funds. And in this case, the NVTA provided $20 million that allow a project that was originally just an idea and turn it into an actual facility that'll help relieve congestion, not just in Fairfax County, but throughout Northern Virginia. This expansion illustrates regional collaboration between the Authority, Fairfax County, and WMATA. The completion of this project will increase capacity at the West Ox Bus Garage by accommodating a larger fleet of buses that will move more people for work, entertainment, and shopping throughout Fairfax County and truly all of Northern Virginia.
Well, you know, sometimes when people hear the word transportation and funding for transportation, they assume that it is building a road or widening a road or an interchange. What they may not think about is the importance of the infrastructure that's needed to support all of those transportation items. And so that's what we're celebrating here today. You see behind me the expansion of our bus facility. This is shared. Fairfax County shares this facility and the area around it with WMATA, with Metro. And this expansion, this is over 250,000 square feet, which will allow us to purchase and to service 135 new buses. This provides the infrastructure needed in order to allow us to have more bus service, to provide more connectivity for people throughout the region and in Fairfax County. And it's an important component of our transportation network.